The 1969 Holden HT in Atlantis Blue is one of those timeless machines that captures the spirit of Australian motoring history, and in 2026 it continues to stand as a symbol of raw style, engineering passion, and pure automotive nostalgia. This car was introduced during an era when Holden was pushing boundaries, refining their designs, and giving enthusiasts something both practical and powerful. The HT series was an evolution from the earlier HK, but Holden took the opportunity to refine the proportions, smooth out the lines, and deliver something that felt fresh while keeping the soul of a true muscle-era classic alive. Atlantis Blue, a striking and deep finish, elevates the entire appearance of the HT by giving it an ocean-inspired vibe that glistens in sunlight and looks sharp under any condition. When you see one rolling down the road, it's not just a car, it's a statement. The long bonnet, chrome accents, wide stance, and bold Holden badging make it stand out as a proud piece of automotive art. Under the hood, the Holden HT offered an impressive range of engines that gave buyers options, from reliable 6-cylinder choices for everyday driving to the legendary version 8S that brought real muscle to the road. Enthusiasts especially admired the 308 and 350 version 8s, which gave this machine the grunt to hold its own against American icons of the time. These engines weren't just about raw speed, they were about torque, effortless cruising, and a sound that echoes deep in the heart of anyone who loves classic cars. The HT also benefited from engineering upgrades over its predecessor, with improved suspension geometry and better braking, making it a more comfortable and confident car to drive whether in the city or on open highways. Step inside and you're met with a cabin that reflects late 60s style but with Holden's attention to comfort. Wide bench seats or bucket options gave drivers and passengers space, while the dashboard carried a simple, functional layout with clear dials, chrome highlights, and controls that were easy to use. This was a car meant for families, weekend cruisers, and performance lovers alike. The HT's build quality has stood the test of time, and many surviving examples still carry that solid feel when the doors shut with a reassuring thud. Today, when restored and maintained, the Atlantis Blue paintwork paired with a pristine interior delivers a perfect balance of elegance and muscle. The Holden HT was available in multiple body styles, from sedans and wagons to the sporty Monaro coupe, and that flexibility gave it a wide audience. But no matter the version, the car's DNA was consistent: strong Australian design with a clear influence from the global muscle car era. The HT Monaro especially carved its place in history with racing success and a style that collectors chase even today. The Atlantis Blue color scheme on the Monaro or even the sedan gives it a unique presence, a shade that shifts with light, sometimes deep and moody, other times vibrant and alive. In 2026, the Holden HT is more than 5 decades old, yet it remains one of the most respected classics in the Holden lineup. Enthusiasts restore them, modify them, and showcase them at car meets, while purists admire untouched survivors. The market for these cars has surged, with collectors seeking original V8 models, but even 6-cylinder versions in great condition hold strong value because of their history and iconic design. The HT is also a favorite canvas for upgrades: modern suspension, disc brakes, fuel-injected V8 swaps, allowing owners to enjoy the classic look with 21st century performance. On the other hand, many restorers go the authentic route, preserving factory specifications down to the badges, interior trims, and paint codes, and Atlantis Blue often ranks among the most desirable finishes. For Australians, the HT was not just a car, it was part of everyday life. Families took road trips in them, tradesmen used them for work, and young drivers dreamed of owning one. That emotional connection is why, decades later, people are willing to invest time, money, and love into keeping these machines alive. And for a channel like Auto Upgrade Nation, it's important to highlight not just the performance or looks but also the cultural footprint these cars left behind. The Holden HT, especially in Atlantis Blue, represents freedom, pride, and the golden era of Australian motoring. When the sunlight bounces off its metallic finish, when the rumble of a V8 echoes down a quiet road, you understand why these classics never fade from memory. The 1969 Holden HT in Atlantis Blue is the kind of car that bridges generations, bringing older enthusiasts back to their youth and inspiring younger gearheads to appreciate a piece of automotive heritage that will never be repeated. In 2026, whether restored to showroom perfection or customized with modern upgrades, it holds its ground as an icon. From the design and performance to its role in Australian car culture, the HT continues to capture hearts and demand respect. This is not just about owning a car, it's about owning history, owning a lifestyle, and carrying forward a legacy. That's why when you see a Holden HT in Atlantis Blue, you're not just looking at a vehicle, you're witnessing a legend still alive on the road today.